Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today I'd like to show you my alternative model for the 42148 LEGO Technic set. The main model is a snow groomer and the set also has an official B model snowmobile. I've already reviewed these models, check the links below the video. So, this is a tracked excavator. The idea to build an excavator came from the B model of the 42147 set. What about the functions? Of course, we can roll the model. Tracks are rotated perfectly due to the additional wheels, like in the original set. I must admit that it's not too easy to steer the model because of rotation of the superstructure, but after some training it's not a problem. We can rotate the superstructure, rise and lower the boom, and here is one more lever that controls the bucket. The bucket has a decent working range, so I think it's possible to dig some loose material. The boom is pretty heavy and sometimes pins provide not enough friction to hold it, but sometimes it works well. Only two pieces remained unused. All other unnecessary pieces are used here in the rear part of the superstructure as a counterweight to provide better stability. And to be honest, the counterweight must be a bit heavier. Yeah, you can see that the model is not enough stable, especially if I extend the boom. Yeah, this track doesn't touch the ground. After all, in spite of some limitations, I think this excavator is a playable model. Probably it can work together with the dump truck 42147. Please share your thoughts about my model below the video, give a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel not to miss upcoming interesting content. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!